we are going to see Kadai Masala, and this is one of the very important gravy among all 6. And one more thing, this gravy is going to be little spicy compared to all the other 5 gravies. So now let's get started. I'm going to tell you what are all the ingredients required for this. For this gravy, we are not going to blend. So the blending process is not going to be in this gravy. I have took chopped onion 500 grams, that is half kg, and 350 grams of tomato finely chopped. Both has to be finely chopped. Then turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, chilli powder, it may be Kashmiri chilli or regular chilli powder, that is of 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, and half tablespoon of garam masala. These are all the powdered spices we need, and we need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 to 5 green chillies slitted. And the whole condiments required for this is 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 2 numbers of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half inch of cinnamon, and 1 or 2 bay leaves, maybe small pieces, and half teaspoon of peppercorn, which added little spicy to the gravy. And also we need required amount of salt and cooking oil 50 ml. Let's keep the broad pan like this in it, and we are going to add the oil. Let's wait for the oil to get heat up, maybe for 30 seconds. Now in the hot oil, I am adding all the whole spices in it: bay leaf, star anise, cloves, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, and finally peppercorn and cumin seeds. Let's wait till it gets flutter. And also I am adding green chilli along with this. Let's add the ginger garlic paste. Just saute it till the raw flavor goes off. After the raw flavor goes off from the ginger garlic paste, now I am going to add the chopped onion. Make sure finely chopped. In that way, it cooks little faster. And we have to cook this onion till it gets brown. Only then we need to add the tomato. Until then, you need to cook it. Make sure you keep the flame in medium and cook it nicely till it gets brown. Now, in order to get the onion cook little faster, I am adding salt in this. Let's add required amount of salt. Give it a good stir and let me make this onion nice and brown. After almost 10 to 12 minutes, see our onion cooked nicely. It has become brown. Now at this stage, I am going to add the chopped tomatoes along with this, and we are going to cook for another 10 minutes till the tomatoes gets brown and mushy. Then later we are going to add all the powdered spices. Now after 10 minutes, see our tomato got nicely cooked. At this stage I am going to add all the powdered spices as I said you earlier. Turmeric powder goes in it, chilli powder, cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, and finally black pepper powder. Now we need to stir it and keep on cooking for another 10 to 12 minutes till the raw flavor of the masala removed from this. At this stage, I am adding little water to give little moisture, maybe around 100 ml of water along with this. Now let's cook this till the raw flavor of masala removed from this. Now almost 10 minutes. See, our Kadai Masala is ready. That's it. So this is the very base for every gravies. So it's ready. It's little spicier version. And now I'm going to switch off the flame and let me keep it aside. And this has to come down for the room temperature for refrigeration. So now we are going to see the next gravy called spinach gravy.